I know. I think oh yeah, they are going off. Okay guys, we are live in Oklahoma and the tornado sirens are going off. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but way off in the distance is a wheel and vortex tornado siren. And some loud thunder scared the crap out of me a second ago, but yeah, I think the sirens, yeah, they're going. Yeah, they're going. That's not good. I think I'm gonna get inside now. Yeah, sirens are blaring. We're going to the bedroom just to watch out the window. Okay. Yeah, you can hear the sirens in here. Let me find the light. What an awesome ambiance. Yukon, Oklahoma, tornado warning with sirens. We're here in Oklahoma City for the Easter break, and I got to witness this. Excellent. You know what? Scratch that. I'm going back outside. Just for the heck of it. Just so we can hear the sirens a little bit better. Because it should be like, I don't know, a 3-minute alert. Because this is just amazing, y'all. This is awesome. I mean, the news report said that there was no tornado for us, but all the sirens in the county are going off just to be safe, yo. Just you know, you get the point. Wow. This is awesome, y'all. I haven't got to witness outside during a tornado warning right now, like I am right now. If you listen very closely, you can still hear the tornado sirens blaring. Oh, that was a fire truck siren. Earlier, I gotta tell you a story about what happened just a second ago. I kept tooting and Mom told me to go out here to let it all out. And then a big clap of thunder scared me so bad I ran up screaming. Oh, that's a police car. Something's going on. Or maybe it's just something else, I don't know. I think the tornado siren stopped. Yeah, the tornado siren had stopped. But maybe they could go off again. Oh, that is a fire truck nearby. I hope you're all enjoying this because I am. You don't know what it's like to be me. It's gonna be awesome. It is currently about 9 p.m. in the evening. Oh, you saw that? That was close. Rain's getting heavier. I thought I saw something, but must just be me again. And for those of you who don't know, always when you hear the sirens, don't do what I'm doing. I know the news, always pay attention to the news. If it says it's not in your area, you're fine, but the sirens may go off in your county anyway, because they're all controlled by one system in the area I'm in right now. I'm a little nervous, to be honest, but I know I'm covered. Got my trusty uncle keeping an eye on me. So, he knows what he's doing. And so do I. Because this is just awesome. I love this. And at the same time, I don't. Alright, I think that's enough for tonight. I'll see you. Thomas Timberwolf, peace. I'm out.